market, man. Hey guys. So today I want to continue the previous stream, which I didn't finish, which basically, yeah, this here. I couldn't finish. I worked about a bit offline about it, but I still didn't finish it. Basically, it's kind of a boring refactor. Let's close like all this stuff. In a nutshell, I'm just creating. I'm converting like all the protocol to use netcat and message pack. And message pack is this binary protocol. It's like a JSON-like protocol we discussed about in the previous stream. But the idea is that you can just send Python dictionaries with like arbitrary code, and that's very needed, especially as I am also like sending frames, meaning that I do a streaming process between the server and the client, and I cannot use JSON. That was the initial point. I want to use protobuf because, to be honest, I don't care about the schema as much. And I think schema-less version here makes much more sense, at least for me. It's probably easier to implement as well. Let me get the latest changes because I worked on a different laptop. And the nice thing is about it is that you can parse it as it comes, and it's a binary format, so it's like JSON but binary. That's exactly how they advertise themselves, and to be honest, I like it. So let's see what's missing. I think I put some to-dos. Trajectory. There was another one in mission something. Yeah, this one's. Yeah, I think I can update this. So status, maybe we should put like this. Running. And as you can see, this is why it's nice, because I can just change the protocol at like Python level. I don't have to regenerate like a schema file or anything. I just run this. Just update here, update on the client side, and that's it. I have like a mission. actually I can just do this. Status mission finished. Final pause. I need actually, did I do it like this? Okay, I think this. To be honest. Actually, maybe even like this. Okay, I think that's on. I think, yeah, the last thing I have to do is this mission start thing. Should probably put the chat here, always on top. So if anyone, yeah, let's see, Twitter. No, the yoga flow experience. Building glitches. Nice. And another guy was streaming. He has like, he doesn't put his face. But that's respectable, right? So, it's way too small, or am I crazy? But it's fine, I guess. Sorry, breaking to them. It's a bit hard to compete in this place. I mean, you really have to go down, 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 down to find me. Let me try to update the title a bit, maybe. Edit. Focus time, no mic. Alright, bro. So, what are we doing here? I have to do this mission starting. It's like the last one that I need to finish, and then I think I'm done and I can start testing a bit more. Should also start adding the actual tests, by the way. So let's see, how do I do this? I need to do the following. On mission start, you need to provide the trajectory points. Yeah. This one is still here, okay? Then I need to make sure that I have CMD trajectory, maybe? No, CMD, yes. Okay, so now I have to, yeah. Now I need to do it like this, I think, just to be sure. if trajectory dot shape, I may probably need to do the try catch here. To be honest, I mean, yeah, I don't think I should do it there. Does this not work? Okay, it works now. Speaking words of wisdom. I don't like this code. Holy shit. And the Python standard library, by the way, all of this is standard library, and this is just the third-party stuff I'm using. And like NumPy, raylib is message pack for protocol, and this one is just math, which probably I can just re-implement myself. And maybe I should in the absolute. Okay, so let's do that, but I got tired of writing the same shit. Return TCP error. It still doesn't work. This endim crap should probably, it deserves to be here. Okay, I think it's just this bad boy. I just copy paste them. Started missions through diapolar. Our result is probably is PCP. Our PCP. Everywhere appropriate. Okay, let's see if that works. That should probably be the entire thing. So let's finally run it. Like you go. Body. Alright, so let's see if shit works now. So if I do main, think you need to, yeah, I don't need to provide anything. And then I think I need to do robo-cat localhost -p for 2069. What else? Just that. Type some random shit, you should get an error. Okay. Now if I do move, I think you need to do it like this. Man, I should be able to do this. Oh, the error is in this bad boy. Should I add support for move? It's a bit annoying that I have to. Manual. I think I can just do it like this. Keyboard input. Oh shit. This should be a dictionary. Parses the special commands for the simulator from the keyword. Alright, so let's do it like this. So if that doesn't really work. How do I do it now? So I have to do the same shit again, but so if data as string of 0 equals this, args equals this crap. I think I can do it like this, cmd data string 0 cmd args, but there's another one. If and this is 1, I should have it like this now. Okay, keyboard args, yeah. Should be a dictionary, because otherwise it won't work there. But now I still have the third one, cmd here. To be honest, I think I can do it like this. Try data, and maybe I should also put this on here. So this is the manual case. Then, otherwise you have like a string here. Data is string. Alright, so you split it. This can throw. If you do that, you get that. Otherwise, okay, you go again, you have arguments. And this is, for example, in the case of move, command input 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0. otherwise you are still in a case here where you could do the following. If but only if command is if cmd equals move. You could have the following: command input equals float x for x in keyboard args, I think. Some shit like this. And I think this can be an umpire array. No, it shouldn't be an umpire array. Hold up. Yeah, it's like that. Okay. Otherwise, it's arrays input error, value error. Cannot parse give input. Something is wrong here. Oh. But why can't you have a inner dictionary? You don't have an inner dictionary like that? Key value pairs. Oh, because this isn't a key value pair. If you put a 1 here though. Alright, that totally makes sense. Alright, so this would be how you do it. Anything can throw here. Yeah. Let's see. Will that work? We'll see. Connect, and let's say move 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Could not convert that crap to string. I know. I need to split it. I didn't do it properly. But I get like the full thing, right? I think I need to do this. There you go. I think this is fine. Nice. Okay, so that means the bug is here, because I need to also split this by split everything with what's left here in keyboard args. Why can't I split? Oh, I did max split here, so it's a list. This is a list. This is a string. All right, this is a string. Yeah. Error. Control input not provided for move command, but this is from here. Because I called it command input. Control input. That's how it's moved. It's called control input. Value. control input, yeah. Unpack failed! Like, I love when it just crashes. Oh, like the entire thing crashed. List has no attribute shape because it's not a numpy array. I need to. The simulator should never crash, by the way. This is, I think, super important. I mean, I think it's good if it crashes, but ideally, when this thing would be like production ready or whatever, it shouldn't crash. Yeah, the problem is this doesn't have a shape, right? So I need to do it like this. Load 2. And it should be like a TCP error. Oh, yeah, TCP error. No. Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah. What else do we have here? Oh, yeah, TCP error. And this is like a IOTCP. No, this is just like this because you don't know. Though, you couldn't get here if there was no TCP. The last place where you can have key pressed on this is here. Which probably should just be here, because it doesn't really matter. Okay, so this TCP. Is just like this because you don't have any TCP here, and now is TCP should probably come now. If is TCP and this TCP is it's that thing. Oh, I mean fair. So I can have the following thing. If not is TCP, just return. And now everything else that follows is a TCP. TCP. I think I can just replace this with IOTCP. Questionable error. This shouldn't be an error, right? It's error. Shouldn't get here is some shit like this. Also, I should remove the is TCP because I think it will crash otherwise. So must execute, but this part should be removed. Oh my god. IOTCP everywhere. If not is TCP, return nothing. Basically just early return, to be honest. only TCP messages below. Client side always apply, disable. Cannot do any action. Okay. I have any checks with TCP anymore? Like in this entire thing? Save state. Definitely need to pack this into here somehow. I thought I got rid of them. What happened? Was promised no more TCP. No, that's fine to be there. That's fine. Though, I mean, that's also, how could you ever get that? So that's it, IOTCP. Okay. I think it's cleaner now, hopefully. Alright, now let's see how much they break. Everything? Who knows? Let's see. Yeah, is TCP on 713 doesn't. Okay, let's do is TCP. This error is optional, right? Yeah. To be honest, this TCP should also be optional now if I think about it. False. Everything is optional now. 791, no, it was a bit higher. Here. I think it's Yeah, I think I need to. I shouldn't probably do the move in handle IO. True. I shouldn't move outside of. I need to move the robot, but not in handle IO. This is a bug. I think this is a bug in the sense that if I have a trajectory or whatever, it will not apply it until there's no more messages coming. Yeah, this is important to be outside. This needs to happen like at every frame. So it should be IO. There's no more. Okay. Fucking fine. I think I solved it. Let's see. Okay, cool. Hi. Robot get state. Nice. Move 001 000. Applied movement. Holy shit. Move 333000. Move 333000. Move. Oh, move. What? Oh, because it doesn't strip it. You know, it's the extra space. Fine. It's on the client input. I think I need to strip. Yeah. And now 333000. You don't see my drone moving, which is annoying. But it's fine, because that's an acceleration. It barely moves. Oh, I cannot press W, yeah. Because that's not how it works. Okay. Added new via point. I mean, kind of. Mission status. Mission get status. Mission not started. Oh, look at that. Man, I can test all of this. I should test all of this. What the fuck I'm doing manually? Oh, this is totally testable. And in headless mode, it's absolutely testable. Yeah. Exit. And it died. Nice. it died a bit annoying here. Receive packet. Oh, it died with a, yeah, I guess, because it didn't die with that, it died with 129 with that. There is no, I mean, there is a connection error here, but incomplete input. I guess alright, I mean it's fine. Cannot really know. I want to keep the error because maybe the server is sending some ambiguous thing back and I want to be able to catch it. I'm fine with things failing, you know, I'm okay with that. So ported more code, all the server messages are now in the right format and the net client thing, so cool. Though I need to make sure, so let me try something else. So I will do this main. I need to do the following. So first, load state preview level 1. Oh, true, because it's not called like that. It's load state cannot parse. Oh, true. Path preview level 1. Oh my god. Config name, that's load state. Yeah, this is a server issue. I think you need that. Alright. Just think about it. And I think on netcat I need to do load state. It probably should be called, yeah, load state. Okay, let's keep it like that. Return cmd yeah, config path, config name, state UAV level 1. What the fuck? Unload render texture. Fuck. It worked, it just crashed. Alright. Address already used. Load state UAV level 1. Move 111,000. Invalid velocity. But should it be an invalid velocity? Oh, I mean, I guess, yeah. Yeah, I need to copy this shit. Maybe, but maybe not like that. What the fuck is forward here, I think? Why? It's probably forward. Yeah, so as you can see, kinda it goes up. Maybe this bad boy. Oh wait, so that's forward. Nice. And now I need to do mission at the point. Then I go a bit more. Maybe I should like rotate a bit. Let's see. Alright. Mission. Alright, so I can do that. Now, mission start. Fucking failed. Of course it did. If trajectory not in message trajectory. Very, very, very nice. Not in message. Yeah, you know, I should be able to like load. I think so, right? So I should be able to load a bunch of commands and then give me the keyboard. I think, yeah, because that allows more interactivity, I think. Not interactivity, but it allows me to like, you know, not copy paste like an idiot. But I don't think Unix supports that, right? Like Linux supports that, I think. I want to read from a file, and then when I stop reading from a file, I want to read from standard input. Which seems a bit impossible to do. Yeah, sorry, I had to catch up with some messages. Holy shit. Okay, I need to not forget that. Fuck. So I need to go. Oh, fuck. I need to go somewhere. Yeah, let's see. Okay, does that work? Can I do this? I need to change the fucking drone. This is the slow drone. Okay, but I can do that. UAV. No. Load state UAV level 1. Okay. Mission add via point. Mission add via point. Mission add via point. Alright. And now mission start. No trajectory provided. Use trajectory blah blah blah. Okay. Makes sense. Mission trajectory. Mission start. Trajectory. And now I think I need to do this. 1 1 1. No, maybe. But this is. Yeah, I need to do very small ones. So let's put 0 0 0 0.01 0 0 0.01 0.01 0.03 0.03. Let's put like some crap like this first. Wrong trajectory, expected that. Great. I will need to test all of this functionality by the way, like automatically. 0 0 1. It does, okay, that makes sense. That's an error. Oh my god. 0 0 0. What if I do a wrong? Oh, I mean, that should be fine. Starting mission through blah, okay. Okay. Mission, get status. Unpack! Fuck! Alright. Every time you do like any network stuff, this is what happens. Oh, it's fine. The simulator didn't crash. It just try catched and moved on. It killed the connection basically. What happened here? I think this is a small one. Yeah, this bad boy. Yeah, the fucking pose, man. The final pose. I wanted to send that. I think it's good that I crash it like that, because I shouldn't send numpy arrays. This is to list here. And of course now it goes on the other line. Mission errors. Well, this one is like this. But it's just a list of strings, right? It's fine. Alright, I think I can just connect and say mission get state status. Unpack failed, fuck you. Oh, well, I need to restart the server. Fuck, okay, so all my work is useless. Already news, that's fine. Connect again. I need to do all this stuff again, which is which one, man? This probably. I need to do UAV, no, load state UAV level 1. I move it, okay, whatever. Mission add VR point. Move it again. Mission start. trajectory 0.1 0 0 0 0 0 0.01 0.01 0.01 0 0 starting final position mission get status and pack fuck you. Who is an umpire right now? Who are you, Mr. Numpire A? Fuck. Okay, there's one more Numpire A here. Final pose. Error. Oh, error, I think. Final error. Who is final error? Are you an umpire A, man? Nice. Error. I think you are an umpire A. Fuck you. Titan. Mission errors. Okay, so I need to do it again. Same shit. Testing software in 2020. Alright, go a bit. No, it doesn't. UAV, load state, UAV level 1. Go. Mission at the point. Go a bit. Mission start. Trajectory. 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0, 0, 0, 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, 0, 0, 0. Mission get status. Mission fire, and of course I had an exception because invalid velocity. It's good, man. That's what I expected because I wanted an error, and as you can see, like I put an input that's too large. It's different than the, oh no, okay, so I put an input that's too large. This is above 007, which is the maximum velocity, and you get an error because it couldn't do the move. And now you know that your trajectory that you provided had some errors, but so maybe you have like 100 points in your trajectories, but only some of them fail, and that means you don't move the drone, but you also get a report back, and you get it like that. It's not so good, but it's like it's a message. It's fine. You get even like what index. You get the error to the final pose. You get the final pose. You get the target pose. Maybe not. Wait, you don't know the target pose. Okay, killed that. Holy shit! It's so easy to like kill. How do you kill it so easy? Oh shit! Robotics UAVs. Honda. It's not that. Final pose, but you don't know the target position. I should put target pose here as well. Why not? Mission dot mission dot what? Holy shit. Goal poses, yeah. Error There's no way I can compact this, right? Good, there should be a way. Hold up. You put it like this, alright. And then you change this to be here. Oh yeah, maybe not. I think that's nice. I can work with this. I need to close this, I think, and we'll continue. Probably the client, but the client should be easy to do, I think.